Okay. I got this huge package with art supplies. Can't wait to see it. And it was seriously cheap for all the things I got. So let's see. Oops. Wow, that was a big package. Let's see. I've never seen this kind of protection before. That's pretty cool. Oh, yeah. It's cardboard cut up. It's special. That's actually pretty cool. I've never seen that. It must be some new environment things. Cool. Still a big box. Okay, we are getting to the good stuff. Let's see. Got this. And this. Come on. Focus. Come on, focus. Hey, come on. How annoying. There. And 6 neon colors. Can I open it? Yeah, I can open it. See? Very nice indeed. Yeah. And when I'm done, I'm going to tell what I totally paid for it. And some brushes. Yeah. And gonna open it. Okay, there's some tape here. See, and there's two. There's another one in the bottom. I'm not going to take it out because I don't have a table right here. I don't want to drop them. That would seriously be heartbreaking for me. And maybe I should open them on the table afterwards. I'll do that. And this is some special rubber-ish pencil, so I can move the color in some ways. Yeah, I'm not that skilled yet, but I'll get there. Look at these packages. I'll open them in a minute. Another one. And another one. I'll take the table over and we can see it all. Because it would not be good if I dropped it. Just checking there's nothing else in here. Oh, and the box is empty.